Hello, party people. Hi, it's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendants. Today, I have here, I have gotten my order from the Candie website. It looks like this. This is the Mermaid little surprise box. So we're going to take a look at that. It did come with a little note. This is cute. So it comes with like a little note. So this says, "Dear Maker, it feels as if I had just wrote you. The days are flying by here at the studio. It seems these days I really are heavily on my imagination to travel, be inspired, and dream. This month's box features a ton of handmade glass that looks like something we would be thrilled to find on the beach. I added a little box with a bead mat so you can put your own finds in it, or better yet, take your bead projects to go. It's got some little questions, and it's got some really nice illustrations, and looks like a code for some free shipping. So super cool. I really like this little tin. When we do the flip, I'll let you guys see it more, but isn't that cute? And this is like a hair tie. Is that not the cutest thing? So we will look in there and see what all of that is about. Let's get going. Okay guys, so here we are with our little mermaid. So I did order these on the, there was a sale going on. I ordered these on the sale. I actually ordered a couple of them because I had some custom orders for some mermaid doings, so it worked out perfectly. Okay, so it comes with like, this is like a little piece of the bead mat. So I get what she's saying. She's saying like you could just take your little beads with you and go. So let's just, for funsies, put them out on our little bead mat. I think this big chunk of sea glass is going to be, there we go. All right. So we got some good stuff here. So these, I don't know for sure where she got these, but I do know that they sell these in Taylor's Falls. And so the fact that they included a pendant, it's a nice value. So I appreciate that, because those can be, you know, upwards of, depending on what you get, but they can be upwards of $3 to $4 each. Okay, so it looks like we got lots of fun sea glass. So we got the pendant, the big pendant, and we got these little guys. So these little guys are super fun because you can use these on earrings. You can use these as buttons for your leather bracelet. If you put a bead on the top here, run the leather through, it can be the button portion of your bracelet. Lots you can do with that. This could also be a button for your bracelet. Now this, I'm not really for sure what I'm going to do with that, but what else do we got? Looks like these might be, I'm not sure, but they look like they might be Lake Superior rocks. These can also be used as buttons for your bracelets. Little wire wrapping on the pendant there. Super good. Some more glass. All right. Oh, we got a few charms. These look like check glass, check glass, check glass. I really like this color palette, and I did get a couple of these, so I know that they were all kind of different. These are sea glass as well. If they're not sea glass, they really look like sea glass. I don't know if you'd be able to tell the difference. We got some Chinese crystals in there, and then some nice check glass stones. So that was the goings-ons. There's a little few findings, and then these are cute. I think I seen Candie do a live video on her channel using these as for earrings. I think she did something like this and like wire wrapped it. Oop, so that could be cute. So anyways, I'm super excited about my little Mermaid stash here because, like I said, I got some custom orders for some oceany things, so I was super excited about it. This is cute. This is sari silk. Yeah, so maybe when I do it my order, then I will just go ahead and send along this box with this cute little picture. That would just be a cute way to gift it, right? So that's what we got going on. I really like it a lot. I'm glad I got a couple of them. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up. I will leave my logo up here in the corner for you so you can subscribe to my videos if you like these videos. And I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.